August 6, 1945, a day that changed the world forever. The city of Hiroshima witnessed the devastating power of the atomic bomb, codenamed Little Boy. But how did this nuclear bomb work? Let's break it down. Little Boy was the first nuclear weapon ever used in war. It was a uranium-based bomb, relying on the principle of nuclear fission, a process that releases immense energy by splitting atomic nuclei. Its design was surprisingly simple, yet unimaginably powerful. The bomb's key components included fissile material, highly enriched uranium-235, capable of sustaining a chain reaction, gun-type design, a mechanism to combine two subcritical masses of uranium into one supercritical mass, explosives, conventional explosives to drive the uranium together. Before detonation, the uranium was divided into two subcritical masses, too small to sustain a chain reaction on their own. These were safely kept apart inside the bomb. When the bomb was dropped, its gun-type assembly mechanism sprang into action. Here's what happened. Conventional explosives fired, propelling one piece of uranium into the other at high speed. This formed a supercritical mass, where the uranium nuclei became tightly packed. A neutron initiator released neutrons into the mass, starting a chain reaction. Neutrons struck uranium-235 nuclei, splitting them into smaller nuclei. Each split released energy and more neutrons, which struck other nuclei. This chain reaction grew exponentially, all within microseconds. The energy released during the chain reaction was immense. Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared, explains it. A small fraction of the uranium's mass was converted directly into energy. This resulted in a fireball. Temperatures reached thousands of degrees Celsius, vaporizing everything near ground zero, a blast wave. The shockwave flattened buildings within a 2-kilometer radius. Radiation-intense ionizing radiation caused immediate and long-term harm. The explosion was equivalent to 15,000 tons of TNT. It killed an estimated 70,000 to 80,000 people instantly, with tens of thousands more succumbing to radiation sickness and injuries in the following weeks. The Hiroshima bombing marked the devastating potential of nuclear weapons. It also ushered in a new era of global politics, raising questions about humanity's responsibility in wielding such power. The survivors' stories and the city's reconstruction remind us of the need for peace and the dangers of unchecked destruction. Understanding the mechanics of Little Boy isn't just about physics or history, it's a stark reminder of the consequences of human innovation. Let us strive to use science and technology responsibly for a better future. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations into science and history.